Hi guys, I hope all is well. So we have an O-level past paper question from the year 2018. The session is October-November. This is question number 8. We'll have a look at linear equations and inequalities. We'll also use perpendicular lines and solve equations simultaneously. So let's get into it. So the question that we have in front of us has a line drawn on this grid. The question reads, the line 2y equal to x plus 4 is drawn on the grid. On the grid, draw the line x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. So we need to find the standard equation of this. How do we do that? We make y the subject and everything else goes to the right. So it becomes negative x minus 2. Now let's make a small table. The table is actually to find the coordinates of x and y for 3 different points. We plug in the values of x by ourselves. So let's assume these values to be 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so when we plug in 0, y comes out to be negative 2. When we plug in 1 into this equation, y comes out to be negative when we plug in 1 into this equation, y comes out to be negative 3. When we plug 2 into this equation, y comes out to be negative 4. So let's plot these points on the grid above. 0 and negative 2 is right there. 1 and minus 3 is right there. And the last coordinates 2 and minus 4 is right there. So we plotted these coordinates. Now let's connect them with a straight line. The line is going to be somewhat, it is going to go like this. Okay, this is the line of x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Let's move on. The region R is represented by these 3 inequalities. 2y is greater than equal to x plus 4. I think this line is drawn for us already. Yes, this is done. X plus y plus 2 is greater than equal to 0. This is done as well. Now we need to find the line. We need to plot the line of y is lesser than or equal to 2. So we draw a line. This is a simple one. So we just draw a line at y equal to 2, a horizontal line. Okay. Now the area in the middle of all of these 3 inequalities is actually, let me highlight that in blue, this area right here. So this is the region that is confined by these 3 inequalities, and this is the answer to this part. Okay, I hope this is visible and it's making sense. Let's move on. Label that R. Okay, so I forgot to label this, so this is R. Next part. Line L is perpendicular to the line 2y equal to x plus 4. Line L passes through the point 1 and 8. Show that the equation of line L is y equal to 10 minus 2x. So first we need to look at this equation and find the gradient of this equation. Let's do this in red so that we don't mix the questions up. The gradient of this equation, I'll just do it right here, is supposed to be y. We're converting this into a standard equation, so the gradient becomes y equal to x over 2 plus 4 over 2, which becomes 2. So the gradient is, let's call it m1, it is 1 over 2. Now if I multiply this gradient by the gradient of its perpendicular bisector perhaps, or a line that is perpendicular to this line, the answer should come out to be negative 1. So let's write m1 times m2. m2 is the gradient of the other line, line L, equal to negative 1. So the gradient of the first line is 1 over 2. The gradient of the second line is what we are looking for, and both of them multiplied together is equal to minus 1. So the gradient of the other line comes out to be negative 2. Okay, now we need to plug this into the equation. The standard equation of any line is of course y equal to mx plus c. We know the gradient, we know these 2 coordinates, we don't know the y-intercept, which is c, so we need to find that first. So we plug these coordinates in. Y is 8. The gradient is negative 2 and x is 1. So the y-intercept comes out to be 10. Perfect. So the line L, whoa, how did that turn into an arrow? Okay, so the line L has an equation y equal to negative 2x plus 10. Okay, this is the same as this. If we just flip around or change around a few numbers, it becomes y equal to 10 minus 2x, which is exactly the same as this equation right here. Okay, let's move on. Use an algebraic method to find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the lines 2y equal to x plus 4 and y equal to 23 minus 2x. That means we need to plug in this equation into this value of y. Let's do that. So 2 gets multiplied by this entire equation, which is 23 minus 2x equal to x plus 4. Let's open the brackets up. We get 46 minus 4x equal to x plus 4. So 46 remains on the left, x goes to the right, becomes 46 minus 4 equal to x plus 4x. 46 minus 4 gives us 42. X plus 4x gives us 5x. So x comes out to be, let's use a calculator for this. 42 divided by 5 gives us 8.4. Okay, now we have the value of x. Let's find the value of y. We'll plug the value of x into this equation. So y is equal to 23 minus 2 times 8.4. So y comes out to be, let's do this, 8.4 times 2 is 16.8. Okay, 23 minus 16.8. So y comes out to be 6.2. 6.2. So we write the values over here. 8.4, that's the coordinate of x, and 6.2. I hope this question made sense. The complete working of this question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.